Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Soul Seed Tarot. Let's get some messages for Cancer sign people. Let's see your current situation, your current energies, what is going on in your life, what are your energies. Let's see all those things. Please keep in mind these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, keep those messages and leave the rest. Please don't try to deliberately fit yourself in a situation that is not meant for you. Okay, I generally don't do health related readings because whatever you're facing health wise, please go and consult a doctor. But I'm getting a message that if you have a slight of inconvenience or you're facing some issue health wise, go and consult a doctor right away. Because I'm not getting anything serious, but I just have a card that tells if you are facing any health issues, go and consult a doctor regarding that. For Cancer sign people, you could be feeling that in your love life you are putting a lot of efforts but you are not getting what you are expecting. That person, your person, is not reciprocating to your energy, and you are so and so frustrated in this situation, you are so restless that you just directly want to go to that person and have a communication on that topic, like a needy clumsy girl. like okay, you're not giving me time. Okay, I'm not criticizing you, but that could very well be the situation in your life right now. You need to calm down. There is love, there is respect between you both. Your person has a lot of love for you, affection for you. Maybe they are not able to express that right now, or maybe their way of expressing is different, but they have a lot of respect for you. Maybe you're trying to gather all those courage to confront your person about it. You're just waiting for the right moment. Once you get a moment with them, you'll just confront them about it. Why you're not giving me time? Why you're not giving me attention? That could be the situation around you. You may not be able to understand your person's feelings. You may have an idea to communicate to your person. What are your, let me see what are your person's energies as well, because this is all a love reading. I was planning to get a overall reading and then dig deep about your love life, but your whole situation is about your love life. So let's get their uh, situation, their feelings as well. Or for few people, you have already confronted your person, you have seized the opportunity to confront your person, and this has brought a fight between you two. Maybe you are feeling like your person doesn't have any love left for you. They may be interested somewhere else, they may be cheating, or there is a lot of deceiving energies. These might be going on in your mind, and There is a slight chance that you have already communicated this to your person, or you are planning to communicate this to your person. If I see your person's energies, they have a lot of passion for you. Also, they find peace and calm in you. They are at peace when they are with you. There is a lot of comforting energy. Maybe you are their comfort zone. Those are your person's energy right now. Or maybe if you have already communicated your thoughts to your person, maybe they are feeling, they are thinking about themselves, what they have done wrong, or what they can improve in themselves, what they can rectify to make you happy. They're thinking, what in their thoughts is that they're thinking that whatever efforts they have put in your relationship, you will understand that. You won't go blind on that efforts. You will realize all those things that might be going on in their mind. And there is also a lot of passion for you from their end. And you are here feeling like you are carrying the whole relationship. You are maintaining the whole relationship, and you are not getting whatever you want in return. We have seven of pentacles cards twice for you. It may be that you are getting obsessed with this situation or obsessed with that person. You need to draw a boundary or draw a borderline that will help you manage both of your life. Do something for yourself, find a hobby, do find something that will help you engage in something that will help you pass your time, that will keep you busy, so that you won't feel their absence much. You need to have a long term vision in this situation. They may be working their they may be working hard out somewhere to make money, to make you happy, and you might be complaining that okay, you're not giving me time because you're giving time to your work. That could be the situation. You need to have a long term vision. You need to understand the situation properly. You may be putting too much of efforts in this situation. Keep it loose. That is what the message I'm getting. Keep it loose. Don't overwork. Don't get this obsessive energy. Don't focus all of your 100%, 200%, 1000% on this, 1000% on this love life only. You may be doing that. You may be carrying a lot of burdens. The other person, your partner, may not expect that much from you, but you are giving a lot to them. That could very well be the situation. And when your person is not able to reciprocate to your energy, you are getting a disappointment kind of energy. You are getting disappointed. We have two of pentacles in reverse and two of swords in reverse. That also signify that you may be taking a lot of a lot of responsibilities on your own. Nobody has asked you, nobody is expecting that from you, but you are by yourself, you have chosen to take a lot of responsibilities and to put your 1000% of efforts in this situation. Okay, so that's what I had for you, Cancer sign people. If this resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.